Hi guys, welcome to another old school video. For you today we're going to do something again that's quite important and something that will become very useful for you. Not everyone knows how to do it, most people would probably like to. So it's going to be attaching a separate hard drive and backing up some files. So we're going to move some files off of our laptop onto this hard drive, standard hard drive that I'm going to plug into our USB port. So that will be discoverable once I plug it in. So let's get it plugged in for you now. There we go. So you hear the noise. The noise will indicate that your hard drive's there, and it will pop up with a list of files that are already on your portable hard drive. Obviously that won't have anything on it if it's a new one, and you're able to use any of the file structure that's already there. So for us, we're going to show you how to move a folder or a file depending on what you wanted to do. And you can use any of the quick access stuff from File Manager down the sides here. So if you wanted to move pictures, click pictures. If you want to move videos, click videos. I've saved something on desktop here that we can use for this demonstration. As you can see, it's quite appropriately named Time to Move a Folder. So to share this folder and back it up onto our portable hard drive, you can simply click on it, drag it and drop it onto your hard drive like this, and you'll get a message there showing you that it's copying that. There's only a couple of items in there and the progress 99% done. So simply now if I move from the desktop part of the PC file structure onto the Seagate portable hard drive, that is my portable hard drive, and you will now see on here time to move a folder in the folder list of files. That's how you move an entire folder. So if you had a folder that, I don't know, that was called photos of my birthday last year, if you had that full of photos, you can just drag the whole file and the whole file will then move on to that, and then you can unplug it shortly. I'll show you how to do that safely. And that file would be available to you on your hard drive, and you can also leave it on your PC. So then if something happens to your PC, you've got backup on your hard drive. It's not always appropriate just to move an entire folder. Sometimes you might want to just move one file. So as you can see on my desktop, I've got time to move folder there, which is the one we've just moved. And in there I've just saved 2 movie files, just so that we can show you how to move a file individually. Okay, so let me close that again. So if I find that file in my file structure here in File Manager, I know it's on my desktop. That could be in any of these other folders, as you know. And then I can select the folder, find the file, and then just drag the file straight onto my personal hard drive. And that's then backing up that particular file. When we go back onto the hard drive, you'll see the file saved in here. Saved file, which is there. So you can do it that way. If you're struggling to be able to just drag and drop things in, obviously you can select multiple folders if you want to move them around. And you can do it the other way. You can take stuff off of your portable hard drive and drag it into any of these other folders. So if you happen to change your laptop one day, you can move stuff onto your hard drive and then drag it back off your hard drive when you plug it into your laptop. Job's a good one. If you're finding that you can't do the drag and drop motion, instead what you can do is find the file you want, right click on it, and then send to. So you right click, you scroll down to send to, and then you pick your hard drive. Again, you'll get the progress that's telling me 99% done. And then when I find that again on my hard drive, you'll see save file 2 is there. So it's quite simple as that, really. Obviously is something that you probably want to do more often than not. So if you add to a folder on your PC and you want to make sure that's protected, plug in your hard drive and just copy it across to there. You can use copy and paste as well if you wanted to. So again, I can go in here, I can just do copy, I can click on the hard drive, I can just do paste. It's saying this because I've already got a destination file on there. But if I was to update a document, say, and add a load of extra pages, maybe for a CV or something for a job, and I wanted to replace the old one, I can do copy, then I can do paste, and then you can click replace, and it will just replace the one there with the more up-to-date copy for you. Again, if you wanted to do more than one file, you can. If you wanted to do your entire hard drive, you can. It will just take a bit longer. Anyway, that's how you move files and back them up, save them onto a portable hard drive. You can take that hard drive wherever you want, plug it into any other machine, and you can take the files back off it if you wish to. Once you've finished using the hard drive, it's important to make sure that you safely install it. So if you click the arrow down the bottom right here on your desktop, you'll see what looks like a USB stick with a tick on. And if you hover over it, safely remove hardware and eject media. If you click that, you're less likely to get any errors with your hard drive that you may get should you unplug it without using this feature in Windows. So we'll do that. It then tells you that you're safe to remove your hardware device. So unplug your USB. The message goes, take your hard drive. Finished. That is how you back up your data onto a portable hard drive, or how you can transfer files between PCs if you wish to. Anyway, hopefully that was simple and straightforward for you and easily enjoyable. If so, make sure you give us a like and a thumbs up. Subscribe if you want to see more useful videos like this, and leave us a comment or two if you get time. We'd love to hear what you think about things and if there's anything you'd like us to cover in the future. For now, bye-bye.